Yo, my name is Benjamin, and in this video I'll show you how much faster we've made project loading in the new performance update. Let's start by taking a look at our new loading state. Here we have a small project, and notice just how quickly it opens. And best of all, you can now start editing your site as soon as you see it. And it also comes in light mode. Now, huge projects can naturally take a little bit longer to open. So let's have a look at one, the Framer site. This one has close to 1,000 pages, and here our performance improvements can really shine. So here we have the old project loading state on the left side of the screen and the new one on the right side of the screen. And we'll load the framer.com site project from start to finish. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. So the first thing you might notice is that the new loading state design makes opening projects feel much less jumpy. Plus, you will see your content sooner, and it's already editable with the new performance updates. So on the left-hand side, it's still loading, and it takes about 24 seconds for the project to become editable, while it only took 12 seconds with the new speed improvements. We've tested this on tons of projects, and on average we see a speed improvement of 2.5x across the board. This performance update has many more improvements to accessibility and SEO, so be sure to go to framer.com/updates to see everything else that's new. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more updates coming soon.